County Public Health has released its guidelines for schools to reopen. The plans detail what to do if a student tests positive and how to communicate that to other families. 2 News reporter Deborah Bogart has details of the plans to reopen Ohio.
Greene County's Deputy Health Commissioner says this is to provide some standards that all schools will follow. Aside from the requirements, there are many recommendations, like restricting activities such as chorus groups or overnight trips that the districts will have to decide for themselves. Greene County Public Health has created 2 procedures for school districts to follow when there is a positive case of coronavirus on campus. Noah Stubbe says it depends on if the student or staff member was at school in the past 48 hours or not. If they were, public health will initiate contact tracing.
The contact tracing would then be needed for anyone that's been within 6 feet from the individual for 15 minutes or more from 2 days prior to the symptom onset. Then they'll need to be placed in quarantine for 14 days, regardless if the individual receives a negative test during that period.
Public Health has created a template for the letter they'll send out, communicating the positive case and if your child had potential contact. He says they will explain what is considered close contact and if it could result in a quarantine. Stubbe says the number of mandatory quarantines will be different for each case, but their guidelines aim to keep them to a minimum.
Trying to keep students together and in groups and in homerooms or in the same kind of cohorts, and more so not commingling.
While not required, Public Health believes certain activities should be canceled until the pandemic is over. That includes marching band, field trips, or school assemblies. They're also strongly recommending no choirs or chorus groups meet, saying there have been deaths attributed to transmission during choir singing.
Some of the most recent guidance for that was you had to be at least 16 feet away to be out of kind of the spread of the aerosols.
We have the full recommendations available on WDTN.com. Reporting in Greene County, Deborah Bogart, 2 News, working for you.